Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring the phone has battery and is unlocked, then go straight to Settings. Open Wallpaper or Home Screen Settings. This is where Redmi stores live wallpaper options. If your live wallpaper came from the Themes app, open Themes instead. You'll need the same place to remove it. Once you're in the right menu, pause and scan for Live Wallpapers or the Active Wallpaper preview. This identifies what to remove and why, so the next taps affect the correct file or setting. Now tap the Active Live Wallpaper preview to reveal controls. Redmi shows disable, remove, or change wallpaper depending on origin. Choose disable or remove if available. This stops background animations and frees resources. If only change is offered, pick a static wallpaper or a built-in image to overwrite the live one. Make sure to apply the change to either home, lock, or both. Otherwise, the live wallpaper may persist on one screen. Once done, the system will stop the live animation and save your finish by removing the source. If the live wallpaper came from an app, uninstall that app via Settings, right arrow apps, and then reboot the phone to clear any running processes. If the live wallpaper still shows, clear the launcher or Themes app cache and data. This forces the system to reload defaults. Make sure to back up any custom layouts first. One key troubleshooting tip: if images revert, check lock/home assignment and clear wallpaper-related cache. This almost always resolves lingering wallpaper persistence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.